How are you all? Welcome to your craft class. Yes, you all must be waiting for your craft class because your Ruchira ma'am always brings exciting craft for you, isn't it? Yes, but today we are going to do one important craft because today is a special day. Okay, it's a special day for us. So can anyone guess what is the special day? Yes, you are right. It's a teacher's day. Teacher is a guide and a support for every time. So we celebrate this Teacher's Day to give tribute to our second president, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was born in September 5th, 1888. So on his birthday, we always used to celebrate this day. So let's start. What we are going to start today? We are going to do one Teacher's Day card. Okay? So that we can give a tribute to our teacher Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was the second president, but he was a very good teacher. Okay, let's start. So first, what we have to do? First, we have to take this type of colorful sheets. Okay, then we need one glue. This is the sketch pen, one scissor, and you can see these are the decorative materials. So first, what we have to do? First, we have to take the paper like this. Okay? Then we have to fold it exactly half like this. Okay? Now what we will do? We will take the paper like this. Then we have to fold it like this. Then press it little. As you all know how to make fan, we have taught you how to make fan earlier in previous classes. Okay? Paper folding class, we have already taught you. So like this, you will make, you have to fold once again up. Very carefully you have to fold it, otherwise the line will not come straight. Children, what ma'am does? Ma'am has folded the paper half, then with this one side paper, one half, ma'am is doing the fan by folding it up and down like this. Okay? So this way you have to fold. Yes. It's completed. Now, what we will do? We will take the glue and we will just fold the paper like this, and I'll put the glue here on the center of it in the last folding. Then I'll press the upper one. Again I'll put the glue. Again I'll press the upper one. Again I'll press the glue. I'll press the upper one, and lastly the top of this. Okay, so you can see it's looking like a fan, isn't it? It's looking like a fan. So we have to, what we have to do? We have to spread it little very carefully so that it will look like a fan. Like this. Okay? Now what we have to do? We have to take one square paper. Okay, then we will fold it like this. Exact square you have to take, otherwise the flower will, we are going to make a flower, the flower will not come properly. Don't use scissor, take the help of your mama to cut it. Okay, then again this type of triangle you made, then fold it again. See, again a triangle made, fold it again. Again we made a triangle. So what we will do now, we will do like this. See how I have drawn. Now I will cut it. See, I have cut the flower. You can see a beautiful flower. Then if you want to make it little, again you can cut it little bit small, because it has become a little big. I want it to be small. See, it has become small. Then I'll put the glue on the center of it. Then I'll put it here. Look, it will look like this. Then one more paper I'll take. I'm taking this blue color paper, the square one. Again you fold how I taught you now. Then yes. So I have made a small flower. See this? Then put blue in the center of yellow flower. Then blue flower. Okay, like this. See how beautiful it's looking, isn't it? So I'll take one blue paper. I'll take exactly the size of this. If it is big, you mark it and cut the rest. See, this way. So I have to cut it down. So this way I have taken one rectangle paper. Now I have to put this paper here. Okay. So I'll put glue on the edge of this paper. Like this. See, I pasted the paper. It's looking beautiful, isn't it? My card is done. like this it will look. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll take the sketch pen. Okay. I'm taking red color sketch pen and I'll put a dot in the center of this flower like this. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll paste this bit on the center of this. Like this. Okay. Now I want to write the quotation or anything you want to write for your teacher, you can write it. So I'm taking this pink color sketch pen. So I want to write here, Happy Teachers Day 2020. Happy Teachers Day 2020. See this? How is it looking? So you can write to your teacher's name, you can write your name also, and you can give this card to your teachers. Okay? So bye bye.